Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Let's upgrade the computer with the new SSD Western Digital 250GB WD Blue 3D NAND internal personal computer SSD SATA 3. 6 GB per second. Oh, this is an awesome solid state disk, and this will bring your computer and laptop performance on a new dimension, on a new level. In this case, I choose the M.2 2280 socket for it, so I can use a second one of an HDD to store that. And the Western Digital SSD is for my operation system and apps. This will speed up on the entire computer so much with up to 550 megabyte per second. Ooh, WDS250G2B0B. That's it is. Of course, you can buy this SSD in a capacity of 250, 500 gigabyte or 1 terabyte or 2. Oh yeah, that's awesome. The type of production is M.2 2280. This is this socket. You can of course choose the standard way of it, that is 2.5 inches. This is to replace your HDD. But in my case, I have a slot for the M.2 SATA connection, and I'm using it right now. The hardware interface is SATA 6.0 GB per second, and the read speed is 550 megabyte per second. This is really fast. Ooh, the 3D NAND SATA SSD for capacities up to 2 terabyte with enhanced reliability. As used for storage capacity 1 terabyte, that are 1 trillion bytes. Total accessibility capacity varies depending on operation environment, of course. Sequential read speed up to 560 megabyte per second, and a sequential write speed is up to 530 megabyte per second. As used for transfer rate or interfaces, the megabyte per second, 1 million bytes per second, etc. Blah blah blah. And you can see if you attach this to your dock on your motherboard. After this, of course, if you like to speed up your computer so much, install fresh Windows on it, and then you have the full performance ready after this. That's really awesome. It's a new dimension of storage. We are able to work longer before recharging our laptop, while sequential read speeds up to 560 megabyte per second and the write speeds is up to 530. This gives the speed we want for us most demanding computing applications. We can confidently upgrade our system to the WD Blue 3D NAND SATA SSD. Really awesome. Performance for high-end computing. High capacity, if you like, up to 4 terabyte. This is a lot. And it's reliable. Ooh. With 1.75 million hours, the MTTF mean time to failure, up to 600 TBW terabytes written, and several error correction technologies, the Western Digital Blue 3D NAND SATA SSDs can help guard data for years to come. Awesome, really. Really awesome. And it's so easy to attach and easy to use. Choose the form factor, SATA 2.5 or the M.2. What you can see in that video is M.2. So you have to look first on your main board, on your motherboard, what form factor you can attach. The interface is SATA 3, 6 GB per second. Super much speed with 560 megabyte per second and write 530. Oh yeah. And you can choose how much gigabyte you like. The Western Digital Blue 3D NAND SATA SSD utilized 3D NAND technology for capacities up to 2 terabyte with enhanced reliability, featuring an active power draw up to 25% lower than previous generation of the Western Digital Blue SSDs. We are able to work longer before recharging our laptop, while sequential speed is so much faster, and the in an SSD, the power consumption is much more lower than the standard HDD, so we save energy, we save time because it's so much faster, and it looks great to unlock our computer in 3 seconds, I think. Before I installed this on my notebook, the boot sequence was about 10 to 12 seconds. Now it's really 3 or 4 seconds, the system is rebooted. That's awesome, and only because of the Western Digital 250GB WD Blue 3D NAND internal PC SSD. Awesome device. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.